Today we talk about how can you disable sticker suggestions notification on your family album app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on settings down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, sorry, we will go back. All you have to do now here, you just go down, you keep going down here. When here notification settings, it's going to show for you here, you click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to stickers suggestions here, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means sticker suggestions disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.